This is the AI News Flash for March 1st, 8 a.m. UTC. First up, NVIDIA has announced a major alliance to build next-generation 6G networks on AI-native platforms, ahead of MWC Barcelona starting March 2nd. Over 12 global telecom leaders have joined the initiative, including BT Group, Cisco, Deutsche Telekom, Ericsson, Nokia, SK Telecom, SoftBank, and T-Mobile. NVIDIA unveiled a Nematron-based large telco model for autonomous network operations, featuring domain-specific reasoning and multi-agent orchestration. The vision is to evolve 5G into AI-native wireless platforms by converging RAN and AI workloads on GPU-accelerated infrastructure, laying the foundation for commercial 6G around 2030. Next, the Pentagon's Future G Office has announced plans to publish an open-source software stack for 5G and 6G networks, called OCUDU. The project will be governed by the Linux Foundation, with 47 founding members including Ericsson, Nokia, Verizon, AT&T, and NVIDIA. The Pentagon's Tom Rondeau compared it to what Linux did for the Internet and what Kubernetes did for the cloud, describing it as the same transformation for wireless communications. The first version launches on GitHub in April, aiming to break vendor lock-in and enable customizable wireless infrastructure for both military and commercial use. Third, McKinsey has published a report stating that Agentic AI will fundamentally reshape global banking. According to the report, Agentic AI could reduce bank operational costs by over 20%, equivalent to 9 to 15% of operating profits. The world's 50 largest banks announced more than 160 use cases in 2025 alone, with early deployments achieving 30 to 50% reductions in manual workloads through zero-touch operations. First movers stand to gain a 4 percentage point advantage in return on tangible equity, while slow adopters risk being stuck with uncompetitive cost structures. Finally, Fortune reports that U.S. residential electricity costs have risen nearly 30% since 2021, with AI data centers becoming a growing factor. Electric bills rose 7% in 2025, while natural gas increased 11%. Utilities requested a total of $31 billion in rate hikes for 2025 alone, more than double the previous year. The PJM region, covering 13 states, has been hit hardest due to heavy data center concentration, with Pennsylvania's governor calling for greater oversight. However, the report notes that aging grid infrastructure, climate change, and rising equipment costs are also major drivers, and AI data centers are only part of the picture. That's all for this AI News Flash.